So this is kind of like a voice reveal, but this is episode 3 of playing my oldest game on Scratch and decoding it. So I've tried recording this 2 times, and each time I thought I was recording, but I actually wasn't, and I've been like really stressing out about that. Like, yeah, I was really mad because that was like 2 hours worth of recording. So here's the actual video. So basically, I deleted a lot of things and fixed a bunch of code. So let's get into it. Okay, so I changed the intro, cute little drawing that I made. And as you can see, there is a difference. How much money is made shows. When you start, it's at 0, and basically, you click this, it can also show you, and if you press 1 on your keyboard, if you're playing on keyboard, it gets rid of that, so then you can just use this to show it. And if you press 2, it shows back up again. Basically, I added medicine. So this is how much medicine you win if you click 0. So like, it's a pet tenant game. So you go and you try to help the pet. As you can see, you don't have medicine because, well, it's set it on the door, in the door. You need to get money and go to the store. So I added the component of fishing. There's this pond in the backyard of the vet, and you click it 2 times, and then you click on the fish and you get $1. It's actually really hard with your skills. It's island, guys, if you didn't know that. So, basically, at the store, it costs $3. Wait, let me simulate the code for fishing. Okay, so for fishing, it's like really, let me simulate. Okay, so I have like the backdrop and stuff. Basically, when this part is cooked, if how many times pond is cooked equals 0, then say click again the fish for 2 seconds. And change how many times pond is cooked to 1. And basically, what that does is, like, because when you click on the pond, you don't know what it does. You might not want to fish. So it tells you what it does. And then, when you've already clicked it once, once you click it again, you get the fish. Okay, and once you, here is the, where is your, here's the fish. And as you can tell, when the sprite is cooked, it changes how much money you have by 1. And yeah, and that's up, which is the fishing water, serves like 0.5 seconds to in the position. Because I wanted to be fast enough that like it wasn't really easy to get it. So see, here is the medicine, and if you click on these, then I have this. This is the most important component in it, because without this you wouldn't be able to buy medicine. So see, when the start is clicked, if how much money you have is less than 3, then it will say you don't have enough money to purchase meds. And if you have enough money, which is more than 2, it will change how much money you have by -3 and change how much medicine you own by 1. So let's click it. And then I have medicine now. So I click it again and it says you don't have enough money to purchase meds. Now I go here and click on the door and this is how much medicine you own, 1. So I have 1 medicine and $0. Now I go back here and can you remember how the fox, you couldn't feel it, you was using the medicine? Now when you click on it, you get to do, you get to heal it. Basically, I made that way quicker because before it took like 8 seconds to go to this screen. So as you can see, it's very tumbled. So in the next video, I will be fixing that and maybe adding a few more components to it. Basically, in the last video, I added this. And this. So it's treats and stuff. And before, medicine, you didn't have to buy anything, but now you do. So now, good job, you have helped the animals. So I only bought 1 medicine, and as you can see, his name is on the right. If I try to click it again using 0 medicine, I get nothing. And because I helped the fox, I get $2. And I click to exit, and that is basically what I've done. So yeah. did with the coding, and I got rid of a lot of things, like picking flowers and stuff, which I thought was really stupid. I might add it back on, though. That might be fun. I think, like, in the fifth video, I'll add some, like, major things. Like, maybe I'll make, like, actual customers who come in, like, in the first video. So that might be cool. But that is it for now. Bye, guys!